Hello friends, welcome to TradersHub channel. Let's start our stock analysis for tomorrow, 17th of March 2021. Let's start with the Nifty. Uh, Nifty tomorrow below 14,915. We can see the target of 14,884, and if it is sustained below, we can see this may act as a support. If it is breaking this and sustained below, we can also see 14,762 and also 14,730 level. And if the Nifty want to go up, then it should break the higher side 15,006.5 and sustain above. Then we can see the target of 15,129. Bank Nifty again, it looks weak. All the banking sector stocks are weak, and you can look for the short side. And my intention is what I'm trying to say, below 34,790 we can see the target of 34,596 and 34,460 level. If it is sustained below, we can see the target of 34,225, and it's very remote chance it may go up, but we can look for the level. The strong resistance is at 35,115. If it is sustained above, we can see the target of 35,344. But I expect mostly tomorrow the selling side from the banking sector. Okay, let's move to the stocks. I have shortlisted Balkrishna Industry, Bharti Airtel, and Britannia, Chola, and Kolpal for the long side, and for the short side, Bajaj Finance, Divis Lab, DLF, HDFC, Hero Motors, ICICI Bank, and M&M. So for the, as I said, all the banking stocks are looks weak, and most of the FMCG sector looks very strong. That means that for the buy side. So you can look FMCG for the long side and the banking sector for the short side tomorrow. So, but I shortlisted only few stocks for the banking for the short side and two stocks only for the FMCG long side. But you can look all the stocks because I can't give all the levels. So which looks very good for my side, so I chosen these stocks. Okay, let's start with the Balkrishna Industry for the long side. We can see above 1655, we can see the target of 1670 and 1681. And the next stock is Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, today it is consolidated near to the square number 529. What we can expect tomorrow, above 533.75, we can see the target of 540 and 545. If the stock is breaking the lower side 526, then we can see the target of 522 and 517 level. But this stock is already taken the support from the demand zone around 515 to 516 level, and it is had a pullback rally already. So you can expect the upside move in this stock. The next stock is Britannia. Britannia, I already given the positional call around 3320 level, I think, and it is already moved to 200 points, and still it is showing bullishness, and it is consolidating near to the square number 3481. So my expectation is above 3500. We can see the target of 3540 and 3560. The next stock is Chola. Chola again, it is moved. It's consolidated near to the square number 529, and it is broken and moved up to 544, and it is consolidated and closed above. The reference price for tomorrow is 537.25. So my expectation is tomorrow above 544.35. We can see the target of 552.5, and if it is sustained above, this act as a strong resistance zone because it's actually stopped here. So it will act as a strong resistance. If it is breaking, then only you see the big rally in this stock. Okay, next is Colgate Palmolive. So Colgate Palmolive, my expectation is above 1620. We can see the target of 1640, and if it is sustained above, we can see the next target is 1650, and this zone will act as a strong resistance for this stock. Then Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is consolidating near to the square number 5476. So my expectation is tomorrow above 5507. We can see the target of 5550 and if it is sustained above, we can see 56.25. It's very remote chance. So but if the stock is breaking the lower side 54.20, we can see the target of 54.02 for the immediately, and this zone act as a support. If it is breaking this area, this zone, then we can see the target of 53.29. Next stock is Divis Lab. Divis Lab, it is taken as support near to the square number 3364. If it is breaking 3361, then we can see the very good downside move in the stock around 3306 level. The next stock is DLF. DLF taken the resistance from the midpoint 306.5, and also it is closed below the reference price 303.85. So below 301.6, we can see the target of 296. If it is sustained below, we can also see the target of 289. This is the square number. The next stock is HDFC. HDFC today it is trying to go up, but it is failed in the first candle itself, and taken the resistance from the midpoint, and it came down and closed near to the square number 2500. What we can expect tomorrow below 2496, we can see the target of 2470 and 2450 level. The next stock for the short side is Hero Motors. Hero Motors below 3243, we can see the target of 3192. If it is sustained below, we may see until 3136 level in this stock. The next stock is my favorite, ICICI Bank. Below 590.6, we can see the target of 576, 585, 580 and 596. And we can see in hourly chart, nothing is interesting. Yeah, it is already taken the support, and it will not act now as a support. So if it is breaking, then we can see the big downside in this stock. So next stock is M&M. M&M, it is unable to go up. It is just hovering around 30 points, and every time taken support from the square number, but this time if it is breaking here for 840, we can see immediate target is 823, and we can keep intermediate target is 830 level, and it may come until 812 level. Yeah, and it looks like all the market was getting tired already. We may see anytime the correction in the market. Already it is in Indian market, look like it is already started, and we have the natural date is 21st of March. This acts as a deciding point for our market. Okay, and if it looks weak, then we can see the big correction in coming days in our market. Please caution with our long position and trade according to the proper levels. That's all, friends. Thanks for watching. If you like my video and it is useful for your trading, please like, subscribe and share your friends. And if you made profit with my levels, please comment on the comment section. And also if you have any queries, comment on the comment section. I will try to answer as soon as possible. That's all. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.